Okay? I saw the kid putting forward to skip quiz. And then I'll see you guys today. It's Simplex Police Station.
Remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire drill, okay?
Fire alarm! Someone pull the fire alarm! Oh my God, no!
The other students and teachers evacuated on the west side. Hopefully you will get updates.
The security camera!
It looks like the camera started walking away.
Lucky me.
I mean, luckily everyone's okay.
Mikey? Hey! What was happening in the hallway when you were here?
Let me retrace my steps. So, I left Mr. Wilson's classroom, then I went to the bathroom.
Not yet. Mikey is explaining what was happening. He went to the bathroom.
That's odd. I was in there fixing the toilet when the alarm went off. I didn't see you.
Well, that's because I ran into the girls' room.
No!
Well, you see, George told me that the toilets were overflowing, so I decided to use the girls' restroom.
That's true. I did tell him.
See?
But the key that you took was for the boys' bathroom.
Yes, I am.
I got the fingerprint kit. Now we can see who the suspect really is.
Wonderful. It's right here.
Thank you. Mikey, you were saying?
What? What was the thing?
Mikey, if you had a key to the boys' restroom, how did you get into the girls' restroom?
Well, there was a girl and she came out of the restroom, so I decided to sneak inside. I'm sorry, that was wrong.
No, that all sounds a little odd.
Mikey, if you are covering up for someone else, you, young man, are in big trouble.
I'm telling you everything I know, I swear.
Principal,
Yes.
we didn't find any prints, but we did notice something odd. Can you come over and take a look?
Of course.
It looks like cheese dip.
Maggie!
You were eating cheese in my classroom.
You see, look, my hands are clean.
That's because you just rubbed it all over your shirt. That explains why there isn't any prints. Pull the alarm. Oh, Mikey, how could you do that?
Please just don't tell my mom. I didn't think all this was gonna happen. I just pulled it because I didn't want to do the pop quiz and just wanted to go to Legoland with my friends.
Pop quiz?
Yeah.
No, Mikey, no, I just wanted to play a game with you all.
A game?
He said to play
You
bingo!
did all this for nothing?
Mikey, you're coming to my office right now.
No, please, I'm sorry.
Actually, I have to stop you there, Principal.
Thank you, officer. Thank you. You don't know how much I appreciate that.
Mikey's actually gonna come with us.
What?
Pulling the fire alarm is a serious crime. Did you know that?
A crime?
Yes, it is. I'm gonna take you downtown. Go. Turn around.
No, please.
Don't worry about it.
Let's go. What are you doing with Mikey?
Under arrest for pulling the fire alarm.
No! Mom! I was in the neighborhood and I heard that the alarm went off.
Fire alarm!
Seems like your son is the one who pulled it.
What? Oh, please don't take away my tablet. And don't call me. I just want to go to Legoland with my friends.
That is what you're most worried about.
You should be worried about going to juvie.
Jail?
Yes, ma'am.
But no. Please, Mom, no. I'm not going. Let me go. No. Jay, there we go. All I can say is, whenever your problems, just makes them worse.